Hey everyone, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2021 28 RKDS floor plan. Now before we get on the interior, there's some features specific to this floor plan that I want to talk about on the outside. So let's get started. All right, everybody, so remember, this floor plan was designed for entertaining all of your guests at the campsite at amazing destinations. So we're gonna start with this floor plan. This outdoor party center comes with these slam latch doors with magnetic catches. Accessing this outdoor kitchen is very easy. It's also very ergonomic. You have a lot of counter space here throughout this entire kitchen. What I really like is they've given you LED lighting so you can utilize this space even in the evenings at your destinations. You're gonna have hot and cold running water. Again, a lot of counter space to utilize, and this dorm style refrigerator to hold all your beverages. All right, everybody, welcome to the inside of the all new 28 RKDS. We're gonna start here in the kitchen. First and foremost, you want a coach that's gonna feel like you're home away from home. The NorthTrail team made this very residential by look, appearance, and their wood choices. Very light in color, neutral wood tones. These nice glass inserts that match your appliances. You have a massive backsplash on this back wall perimeter, tying in well with the beautiful beveled edge countertops, very light and a lot of space, an overall very nice look. In terms of utility, I mentioned it, you have a lot of storage. These nice black hardware to make it look residential, a lot of function here. Storage continues under the massive counter space with pull-out drawers in 2 locations. You also have another cabinet door here under your sink to utilize for that trash can, and that's really important in a floor plan of this size. Let's talk appliances. Your microwave is going to be standard. Your 3-burner stove is going to allow you to continue use of that counter space seamlessly because it's a glass top. Going from your refrigerator, this is going to be an 8 cubic foot gas electric combo. Ideal, so if you're going to be away from shore power, you don't need to worry about operating your refrigerator. This is the one you want. So let's talk about this slide box. We're going to start here in the dining area. Again, from that design standpoint, you've got this nice integrated LED backlit fascia, keeping that look very residential. Here in the dining area, I like the utility. Of course, this is going to collapse down for a location for your guests to sleep in the evenings, but as it sits today, you'll notice you've got massive windows here on the perimeter of the dining. All of these windows are going to open, so you're not only going to get natural light, but that cross breeze, so you don't have to rely on the AC. Also, they've added additional storage in these cubbies on both sides below the seating to give you even more room to store the things you need going to your destination. So as we move forward, we're of course going to talk about your living area, and you'll notice I'm 6'3", 250, very comfortable in this sofa. Now this sofa is very functional. It will fold out to sleeping, which I'll demonstrate. So as you can see, very functional operation and utility in this beautiful sofa. So in combination with the dinette and the 1, 2, 3, 4 massive windows, you're going to be very, very comfortable in this floor plan. Now remember, this floor plan was designed to host 4 to 5 additional guests at your destination. So you're going to have accommodations for their seating. Here on the campsite, you've got these 2 massive recliners with this nice coffee table that is movable so you can easily pack it when you're heading off back home. Also, let's talk about your entertainment while you're here in this floor plan by way of this entertainment cabinet. You'll notice what NorthTrail did. They know that when you're hosting a lot of guests, space is needed here in this floor plan. So they've raised the entire cabinet, allowing you to put everybody's shoes here out of the way of traffic getting in and out of this floor plan. The fireplace, of course, is going to come standard. The 55-inch TV, standard. But I like 2 things that they've done. They've given you a lot of storage, including this pocket hidden door, allowing you to store your cell phone, your wallets, anything that you want hidden and important can be stored there. You also have the utility. With this radio, if your guests bring an accessory item, like a DVD player, PlayStation 5, remember it has pass-through HDMI, so no more trying to run those wires behind this massive TV. So welcome to the front of the floor plan in your master suite with, yes, a 72 by 80 king size bed as standard. You'll notice around the perimeter, what do you have? A lot of storage. So you have these upper cabinets, and on both sides of the king size bed, you do have wardrobe closets. Below that, you have these elongated nightstands, ideal for storing those CPAP devices, your laptops, anything. These are about 4 foot long on both sides. Below the queen size bed, you have additional storage in these nice cubbies for a location to bring those shoes or any of the other accessory items that you are bringing. You'll notice that it's very well lit in here, courtesy of the LED lights throughout this entire master suite floor plan. Also, you have massive windows on both sides, going back to being comfortable in the evenings, not running the AC, allowing Mother Nature to cool the coach with these windows that will open. So an outdoor kitchen, indoor kitchen, with this floor plan, you're gonna have both. And remember, this floor plan is gonna sleep 5 to 6 campers comfortably. So for more information, go to heartlandrvs.com.